Hi, this is Scotty Sanders. I want to talk to you about how to make time an asset. If it's not an asset, it really becomes a liability in your life. You make time an asset when you have discipline in your life. Now, let me give you a few examples of how you can make time an asset in your life by incorporating discipline. So when discipline's in your life, time really becomes an asset. Without discipline, it's a liability. And I'm going to give you 3 examples that I relate to because I try to incorporate these type disciplines in my life. The first one's study. See, most people, they discontinue studying after they complete their formal education. They got a high school diploma, they're done after that, or they get their college degree or even their master's degree, they stop after their formal education. However, when study is a discipline, time becomes an asset. Why is that? Because one, most people quit studying, whatever their degree is, they stop, and it really gives you this huge advantage. And when you continue to study and continue to learn, because things get outdated really quick. So when you continue to study and make that one of your disciplines, you keep up with the current trends, the new things that are happening out there. I think about when I graduated from college and how many things have changed. What if I would have stopped learning in that moment? Man, it would have passed me by so quick. So study is a discipline. It makes time an asset for you. And why is that? Because most people do quit studying. And if you'll take 2 to 3 hours a week, now I know that may sound like a lot, but that's really just a few minutes a day. If you took 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, it would make a huge difference. A typical week for me is about 10 hours a week in study. Time becomes an asset for me. So another would be healthy living. By making healthy living a discipline in your life, you can't reverse aging, if you will, but you can definitely feel better as you age. And to me, health is the new wealth. So what are the things that you can do from a healthy living standpoint that you incorporate in those disciplines? So maybe it's exercising 3 or 4 days a week. Maybe it's eating less calories or eating the right kind of food, drinking plenty of water, getting plenty of sleep. What are those healthy living habits, if you will, to make that part of your daily routine that I'm going to live healthy, right? And that, again, you can't slow time, but I promise you, as a guy in my 60s now, I feel better now than I did when I was in my 30s because I've practiced healthy living. Another area would be money. See, discipline in your finances, it becomes an asset. Exercising discipline with money allows you to give to causes you believe in and not have the stress or that liability of not paying your bills. I can remember early on in my business career, that pressure, that grind of not being able to meet all of my responsibilities. Man, it was stressful. It weighed on me. You know what I'm saying? Because I didn't have good discipline early in my life how to handle money. You know, I thought you could always make more money and you could get a lot of debt and those kind of things. So I lacked discipline in that area of my life early on, and it cost me, it really did. So when you have discipline in the area of money, you can choose to give more to causes you believe in. If you want to retire comfortably, you can do that. So that area is another one. Discipline it makes time an asset, but without discipline, it becomes a liability. You're always stressed out and you're always running behind. So make time an asset in your life. Incorporate a few simple daily disciplines and watch your life change. So do you want help leading yourself well? Then make sure you go to lifeona3x5.com and check out my digital course, and I promise you it will help you to incorporate the right kind of disciplines in your life that you can lead yourself well. Well, listen, until next time, live well and lead well.